Welcome to a new week here on the Retirement Quick Tips podcast. I'm your host, Ashley Micciche. One thing I believe in strongly is eating your own cooking. So this week on the podcast, I'm pulling back the curtain and sharing exactly how I manage my own 401k as a financial advisor. I'll walk you through how often I actually check my accounts and log in, actually less frequently than you would think, how much I contribute to my 401k, whether I choose Roth or traditional contributions and why. I'll talk about what I'm currently invested in and the philosophy behind those choices. I'll talk about how often I rebalance, why I personally avoid target date funds, even though I actually recommend them for most people in most situations. And then I'll share a few extra tips like whether it's a good idea to link your accounts up with your 401k. It's convenient and easy. You can view everything in one place, but there are some things you want to look out for. I'll talk about why it's critical to check your beneficiaries. I just had a situation come up recently with this, and you don't want that to be you. I'll also talk about why I avoid at all costs and recommend people avoid any type of 401k withdrawals or loans prior to retirement. All of this is aimed at helping you make smarter decisions with your 401k so you can position it for maximum growth while staying aligned with your stage in life and how close you are to retirement. All right, so if you're new to the podcast, a little bit about me. I'm a financial advisor and co-owner of True North Retirement Advisors. It's a fee-only fiduciary advisory practice managing over $450 million in client assets. For the last 18 years, I've helped my clients retire with confidence. And on this podcast, my goal is to do exactly the same for you. I'm turning complex retirement questions into very clear answers. And I do that in just a few minutes each and every day. So you can spend less time stressing about money and more time living and enjoying your retirement. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. If you know someone who'd be interested in this week's topic, please share the show. And if you have a burning question about your own retirement, you can check out my website, truenorthra.com. There you can book a free 15-minute call with me about anything on your mind regarding retirement. I love to hear from listeners. It's also a great way to feed me new subject matter because I get to hear questions from you. You ask questions that are on your mind. And a lot of times I'm like, oh, that would be a great topic for the podcast because chances are if you have a question, lots of other people do too. Come on back tomorrow where I'm going to talk about how often I log into my account, how often I check my balance, and how often I rebalance and change my investments. My name is Ashley Micciche, and this is the Retirement Quick Tips podcast.